Hey there! Today I'm diving into one of the most profound stories in the Bible, the journey of Job. It's a tale that speaks to the heart of faith in the midst of adversity. So, who was Job? Job was a man of great faith and integrity. He was prosperous, blessed with family, wealth and health, but then, in a blink of an eye, everything changed. Imagine losing everything you hold dear. That was Job's reality. One day, Satan challenged God, claiming that Job was faithful only because of his blessings. God allowed Satan to test Job, but with one condition: Job's life was to be spared. And so Job's trials began. First, his livestock was stolen, then his servants were killed. His children, the joy of his heart, were crushed in a tragic accident. Finally, Job himself was struck with painful sores from head to toe. In the face of all this suffering, Job's wife urged him to curse God and die. But Job responded with a remarkable statement of faith: "Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" Job's friends came to comfort him. They believed that his suffering was a punishment for sin, but Job maintained his innocence, crying out to God for answers. In the depth of his despair, Job questioned God's justice, yet he never lost his faith. Finally, God answered Job, not with explanations, but with questions that revealed his power and wisdom. Job realized that God's ways are beyond human understanding. He repented for questioning God's judgment, and in the end, God restored Job's fortunes, giving him twice as much as he had before. The story of Job teaches us that faith is not about having all the answers. It's about trusting God, even when life doesn't make sense. Job's journey reminds us that our suffering is not in vain. God sees our struggles, and He is with us through it all. So if you're facing a tough time, remember Job's story. Hold on to your faith because God is faithful. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.